So first thing we're going to do is we're going to convert to moles. How do we convert to moles?
Using the periodic table, the mass.
Yeah, so use molar mass, and then you're going to divide by. And then after that, what we're going to do is we're going to convert to the products. That's one way. And then we're going to use our balanced coefficients and mole ratios to get to the product. And then the lowest number of moles of product. Any questions on the steps?
No.
Let's see them. All right, so first step, convert to moles. So if I start with 18 grams of A, whatever A is, I know it's 9 grams for 1 mole of A. And we're going to have to go all the way to the products. So I'm doing step 1 and 2 in the same stoichiometric procession of events. So I know with this balanced equation, for every 1 mole of A, there's 1 mole of C. So I can go from reactant to product just by doing. These will cancel. And now I get 2 moles of C. Using the same logic, I can figure out how many moles of C my reactant B would make. All right, so based on this conclusion, which one of them is limiting?
B. The 20 grams.
B is limiting because it produces less product. Okay, the other thing they could ask you is they could, actually, let's take this one step further. They could say, if the molar mass of C is, what is some number? So let's say I told you that the molecular weight of C is 50 grams per mole. What is the theoretical yield? Something else you could have been asked on these type of questions. And the way you find that out is you just go one step further, okay? So if I had this, 1 mole was produced when I started with 20 grams of B, the limiting reagent. Take this a little bit further, and I say, okay, I have 1 mole is 50 grams of C. So in this case, since I only had 1 mole, it's not going to change this answer at all. So that means that my theoretical is 50 grams of C. Let's say I told you in the problem you only got 40 grams of C. You could find a percent yield, and that would be actual over theoretical times 100. So what you would do in this case is you do the 40 divided by 50 times 100. Okay? And I scrunched it all there. Yeah. But I think you can still make out what I'm doing here. Do you have any questions? So recap, if you convert everything to moles, the smallest answer was our limiting reagent. Then I gave you a molar mass of that product, so we were able to convert it into grams. That's your theoretical yield. And if an amount was given to you that, let's say you did an experiment, you found that you only got 40 grams, you take your actual divided by your theoretical times 100. And that'll give you your percentage yield. So 4/5, I believe, is 0.8 times 100 would be 80%.